How to follow or unfollow channels on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can follow or unfollow channels on Vimeo. And this is how to go about it. The first step is for you to log in into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page. Once you're on your home page, move to the top part of the screen, click on the search box, and then type out the name of the channels that you are interested in. All right. So just type out the name of the channel. So for example, it could be movies. Okay, then select the kind of movies. This is just an example. Yours could be anything. Just ensure you select channels that you are interested in. And so once once you type out the name of the channel, you can see details about the channel being displayed. Then move to the left side of the screen where you see results for videos on demand people, then channels. So ensure you select channels so that only channels will be the ones displayed. So once you can see only channels being displayed, the next step would be for you to click on the ones that you would like to follow, and then once you've clicked on that, you'll be brought to the home page of the channel, all right, where you can see more details. So once you can see this, move to the right side of the screen where you can see the follow option. Click on it, and then just like that, you would be able to, or you would follow the channel automatically. You can see how easy it is. And then in order to unfollow a channel, it is very simple. All you need to do is to locate or find your way to the channel that you followed already, and then once you follow the channel, you will see this unfollow icon also by the right side. Just click on that, and then just like that, you will unfollow the channel. It is that simple, right? So just find your way to the channel and then unfollow it, and straight away you are good to go. So this is it. This is how you can go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.